So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to solve another database problem, so which is available in LeetCode and it is under medium category. Okay, so the problem name is exchange seats. What we have to do is we have to write a solution to swap the seat ID for every two consecutive students if the number of students is odd. Then ID of the last student is not swapped, means only even number of students ID will be swapped with each other's seat ID, and if there is odd number of people, then we need not to be swap the last students ID. Okay, and return the result table order by ID in ascending order. So yeah, we have to return it in ascending order. You can see this example here. One, there is one student, and two, there is another student. In result, the one will be second student and two will be the first student. Okay, so this is the overall problem, and as you can see, I already solved this one. So I will just quickly explain the code and what we have to do actually. So let's walk through the code. We will define one helper function here. So what we are doing here, just defining one function for doing minus. Like if a number is even, then it will minus 1. If the number is odd, then it will do plus 1. Okay, and next what we are doing is, then we are taking the first condition, that is if seed.shape will return the shape of the data frame, and we are taking the 0th index, that is the length of the data frame, how many records are there. Okay, so if it is was like even number of records are there, then if it is not even, so first we are taking this not even condition. Okay, so if it is not even, then we are just separating that last row. Okay, and storing it on one data frame, because we do not need to swap the seat ID of that student, correct? So we are just making one separate data frame and storing it there. Then we are taking the even number of records, that is to set sub 0 minus 1, that is one record less than the number of records available in the data frame, and we are storing it in an even data frame. Okay, so then we are taking ID, as we are doing applying this function do minus. So if the ID is even, then it will what it will do, it will do ID minus 1, and if the ID is odd, then it will do ID plus 1. Okay, so that is the, and next we are returning the concatenated version of both seat odd and seat even data frame, right? Because we already stored that in a different data frame, so we are returning this one. And the next solution is, what if it is not odd, like if it is even, what we have to do. So we have nothing to do, we just basically will apply that function we have already defined, and will return the data frame as exchanged seats. Okay, so this is the code. Basically we are doing nothing here, we are defining one function. If it is if the ID is even, then we will minus 1, and if it is odd, then it will do plus 1, and it will sort values by ID in ascending order. Okay, so let us run it. As you can see, it is accepted. So we have the same output as expected, you can see here. And if we will do submit, and our result is accepted. I don't know why it placed me in the last. Like this is okay, so we are placed at last with this solution, and it took like 802 minus. So it's okay. I hope you understood the problem and you understood the solution. Please like and subscribe, and leave your comments if you have a solution other than this one, and how to improve this timing. So I hope you understood how to solve this problem. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.